Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a smooth and dynamic wiggle effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, I'll drag the image into the timeline to use it as our background. Next, I'll select the Type tool and add my text. Once the text is placed, I'll create a selection around it and then center it perfectly on the screen. After that, I'll head over to the Effects panel and search for Turbulent Displace. Once it appears, I'll simply double-click it to apply the effect to my text. Then I'll open the Effect Controls panel, set the Turbulent Displace amount to 20 and the size to 50 for a smooth wiggle look. Next, I'll expand the Evolution Options drop-down. Here you'll see the Random Seed control. I'll add a keyframe at the very beginning, then move the playhead all the way to the end of the clip and change the value from 0 to 20. After that, I'll right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out, then right-click the last keyframe and select Ease In to make the animation flow more naturally. Once you hit play, you'll see the final result. Your clean and dynamic wiggle effect is ready.